Here we'll discuss about quadratic formula. So the formula goes like this: x being equal to minus b plus or minus square root of d divided by 2a, where d itself is b squared minus 4ac. So what is this a, b, c, d and all of this? Well, let me rewrite this formula once more. Okay, so that you guys can have a look. First thing is I've opened a big bracket. In that I'm writing minus b plus or minus square root of d. And this entire thing is divided by 2a, where this d is b squared minus 4ac. So the question is, where are this a, b, c, d coming from? See, what is the quadratic equations standard form? It's ax squared plus bx plus c being equal to 0. So we have a is your quotient of x squared, b is your quotient of x, and c is your constant. So let's use a question and figure out how to do a problem using quadratic formula. How to use this formula to make our job easy. See, one thing is when you get complicated questions, after a bit of manipulation, you can use the formula directly, right? If they're not asking for any method, and if you're looking at MCQ questions, it's better to use quadratic formula. So, very first thing is we need to compare with the standard form ax square plus bx plus c being equal to 0. So what is a over here? A is 1, b is 6, while c is 5. Right. So post this, it's quite simple. Let's find the roots using quadratic formula. Again, a is 1, b is 6, and c is 5. So first thing is you need to find d. Oh yeah, by the way, d stands for discriminant. Okay, so we'll be talking about this in the next video. This also has its own importance. So now coming back, b square minus 4 into a into c. So b is 6 square minus 4 into 1 into 5. So this is 36 minus 20, which is equal to 16. And the next step is to find the roots. Using the other part. So which is x is equal to minus b, open the big brackets, plus or minus square root of d, entire thing divided by 2a. So x is equal to minus b is minus 6 plus or minus square root of 16, entire thing divided by 2 into 1. So minus 6 plus or minus 4 divided by 2 into 1 is 2. So now we have alpha, which is equal to minus b plus 4 divided by 2. This is minus 2 by 2, which is equal to minus 1. While your beta is equal to minus 6 minus 4 by 2, which is minus 10 by 2, which is equal to minus 5. And these are your alpha and betas, right? So the roots are minus 1 and minus 5. So yeah, obviously the very obvious question is where did this come from? See, we have written here plus or minus 4. What does that mean? There are two values. Plus or minus 4 means plus 4, and we are talking about minus 4 in the same place, represented by this particular representation. So individually, if I take plus 4 and minus 4, those are your alpha and beta. There's no rule that alpha has to be plus and beta has to be minus. There's no particular order, but yeah, we're looking at alpha and beta to be, one time plus of square root of t, and beta is minus square root of t, or vice versa. It can be in any order, no compulsion. So point is, this representation holds these two expressions. Okay, both of this expression is represented by a single expression, and when you spread it across, you get your two variation, and these two variation are your alpha and betas. Okay, so if you want to pause and have a look, please do so now.